All right, let's dive into this, shall we? Welcome to the construction site of your financial future. Think of me as your master architect, your veteran mentor, if you will. And together, we're going to unpack a step-by-step blueprint for wealth. Now, our source text for this explainer is a totally bare-bones account of a really incredible build. We're talking about constructing a massive, towering portfolio of passive revenue. And get this, starting from absolute zero, literally nothing. So go ahead and grab your hard hat. Let's inspect these blueprints together.
Here is how we're breaking down today's build. First up, the empty lot, starting with zero capital. Then, reviewing the 7 blueprints. And finally, the all-important final inspection, where we see what actually paid.
Every great piece of architecture starts as a patch of dirt. Let's look at phase 1 of our build, the empty lot, starting with zero capital.
$0. Yep, absolutely nothing in the bank to fund this project. In traditional construction, having zero capital means, well, no materials and definitely no crew. But in the landscape of digital wealth, $0 is just an empty lot sitting there waiting for your sweat equity. The entire core premise of our source material really hinges on this incredible feat, building revenue-generating assets without just buying your way in. In fact, in the source text, the author didn't run off and get a bank loan to build their very first asset. Nope. They just used their weekends to build a simple digital guide. They basically turned zero capital plus a ton of high sweat equity into their very first revenue stream. So when you don't have financial capital, you just substitute it entirely with time, focus, and energy. You, my friend, are the heavy machinery here.
The author states it super plainly in the text. I built 7 passive income streams from zero. Let me tell you from a mentor's perspective, that is a massive undertaking. Every single one of these streams meant rolling up their sleeves, clearing the brush, and pouring concrete by hand. And you know what the most common pitfall is during a build like this? Burnout, for sure. Building just one stream is tough enough, right? But building 7? That requires immense, and I mean immense, discipline, especially when literally no one is paying you an hourly wage to do it.
Moving right along to phase 2, reviewing the 7 blueprints, drafting multiple streams.
We are just building a cute little single-family home here. Oh no, we are developing an entire subdivision. 7 passive income streams means you need 7 entirely distinct blueprints. Every single one of these streams requires its own dedicated, meticulous schematic. And listen, as my apprentice, you've really got to track this construction. The source text highly recommends using simple digital tools to keep things organized. We're talking about a basic Notion board or maybe just a simple Google Sheet, just to project manage each distinct build. Because if you don't, your beautiful digital subdivision is going to collapse right into chaos. Diversifying your income means really respecting the specialized, step-by-step construction process that each individual revenue stream demands.
Let's break down the actual manual labor required for these blueprints, using concepts we all understand. First up, you are laying the foundation. This is the setup phase, registering the domains, doing the heavy lifting of market research. Next, you're framing the walls. This is the structure, actually writing the content or designing the product itself. And finally, you are installing the plumbing. In our digital world, plumbing is cash flow. That means connecting your payment gateways, automating those welcome emails, the whole shebang. To actually make this actionable, your weekly checklist should mirror this exact process. So, Monday, you do the foundational market research. Wednesday, you frame the content. Friday, you test your plumbing and make sure those payment links actually work. Doing this 7 times over requires some serious master builder level discipline.
All right, the bricks are laid, the plumbing is hooked up. Now for the real climax of our explainer, the final inspection, what actually paid. You really have to notice the stark contrast here between what a blueprint promises and what the building actually yields. Back in the design phase, well, every single one of those streams was projecting massive returns. But reality? Reality is a really harsh inspector. For example, the source material reveals that an early affiliate blog they built only ever yielded pennies. It was basically a tiny, rickety shed in the backyard of their portfolio. But on the flip side, a self-published digital book unexpectedly turned into this towering skyscraper of revenue. It's wild. But the massive effort of building 7 separate streams from scratch almost always results in a super uneven skyline.
Which brings us to the ultimate reveal from our source text. The author says here's what actually paid. Listen, true wealth architecture requires filtering out all that noise. Vanity metrics, like bragging that you have 7 streams. They don't pay the mortgage, right? So why does this matter for your own wealth building journey? Well, because during your own final inspection, you have to be totally ruthless. You must identify which structures are actually load-bearing and generating real cash flow, and you've got to recognize which ones are just, frankly, taking up space on your lot. The true secret to long-term passive wealth isn't just building forever, it's building, evaluating what actually pays, and then expanding massively on that exact load-bearing foundation.
So here we are. You've got the empty lot. You know that having zero capital is no longer an excuse. It is quite literally just your starting condition. You understand the grueling, dirty phases of laying the foundation, framing the structure, and connecting up that cash flow. And you know the ultimate goal is that final inspection, finding the one true load-bearing stream that actually puts money in the bank. So my fellow builder, the heavy machinery is gassed up and ready to go. The dirt is just waiting for you. Which blueprint will you lay the foundation for today?